A jar of dreams on the kitchen shelf, full of colors brighter than myself. One lone jelly bean stands alone, a tiny hero in a candy zone. Strawberry reds and blues so deep, the others gone in a sugary sweep. This one's waiting, its moment near, the last sweet soldier full of cheer. Oh, the last jelly bean, the sweet